Hi everyone. So the tracking's done on the car, but we haven't road tested it yet. So tonight I'm going to go out in the car. I'm going to try and mount that camera to the screen, and I bought a sucker and lever adapter that looks quite a nice one with a great big pad on it. I mean, I've noticed a lot of YouTubers that do car vids have got like 3 suckers on and they're a right stable piece of kit. So I don't know how jittery it's going to be, but we'll go out. I'll just watch it because I believe, in fact, I'll put a piece in the video and I'll actually show you the signpost that's on the roundabout at the end of the village where I live. Apparently there's been some guys racing up and down this dual carriageway, and it's 70 miles an hour because it's a dual carriageway for cars. And they're going to reduce it to 50, and they've got all the signposts up, but they're covered up at the moment. Now, it's a bit of a sad state of affairs that a dual carriageway, it's the old A1 that's 70 for cars, and they're reducing it to 50 because some kids have been belting up and down in cars. I don't get it. I don't understand it. So, well, look, way back, if you go back, the traffic calming speed bumps, it were all to stop joyriders or to slow them down, because joyriders were flying around, you know, streets at ridiculous speeds. So they put speed bumps in, so it affected everybody. So there might have been, I don't know, 500 kids throughout the whole country that were driving like maniacs, and everybody else steady. And now we've all got to change the shock absorbers every 2 years, haven't we? And change tyres and ball joints that have worn out because we're all going over speed bumps. Anyway, I digress. We're going to go out for a run. We'll give it a try, and when I come back, I'll do another little video of what I thought of it, because I want to know that the car's going to be more directional, because it were all over. It really was bad, and now we've got tracking right. Also, MGK, I think he's called, commented on one of the videos, on this video on tracking, and saying, yeah, you know, when you've done your tracking, you have to drop your car and move it backwards and forwards to settle it, and then recheck it. And he's quite correct. That is the proper procedure. But with my 2-post car lift, it's so damned awkward moving it around. I thought best thing to do is go out and drive it, come back, and then maybe tomorrow I'll do another little video, or whenever, it might be a few days, and we'll put the digital tracking thing on the laser, and we'll check it again to see if it is correct. I think it probably is, but we don't know, do we, for sure? Alright guys, I'll skip you through intro and we'll get on the road. Right, now this will work out, guys, because I've never done this before, a camera in a car. its eyes glowing. It's daring me out, innit? Go on, buddy. You know, I'd never get tired of this noise, this burble. I need to sort out this throttle. This throttle's too stiff. Two great big springs on it. I need to look at that. But I'll pull camera off just to show you. But we've got this tick over thing sorted. Well, it definitely must have been that stepper motor. Right, we're done. No problems with temperature. And even clock's right. Right, I'll try and get out of this thing now. That's an LED interior light. So much better. Right. Hello all. Well, that were interesting. It was quite a nice drive. I've yet to sort of edit the videos in to make it YouTubeable, but I'm quite happy with it. The steering seems an awful lot better. My problem I've got is I've got my seat adjusted so I can press my clutch and my brake pedal just right. But steering wheel's here on my chest. I'm driving like this, like I'm in a blooming Indy car 500. I need steering wheel further away from me, so it means I'd move my seat further back and then my feet won't reach pedals, so they are adjustable. So I'm going to have a look and see if they've been adjusted short, and if they have I can adjust them back a bit so I can get to it. I'll see, I'll check all that out, but a very interesting drive. We only did a few miles, as you've seen, and it was successful. I will say that damn car is mental. It's a TVR, and I guess all TVRs are, but that thing absolutely rips. I mean, my previous car was an F-Type Jag. I've had a Sierra Cosworth at 300 odd, an X-Pace car, I've a Porsche 911, a Carrera with 320 horsepower. I've had a 650 horsepower Nissan Skyline GTR, that one mental. This thing, it matches any of them. I'm sure it does. It is absolutely crazy. I know it's been played with, and I know it's got oversized liners in the 4.5 engine, which I calculated it up to 4650. I know it's got a sport or race cam in it. I know it's got vernier timing gears in it, a baffled sump for track days. It's had ECU chip twice, upgrades. It's had an awful lot of money spent on it. So I think precats have been taken out, but it's still got the original cat. But it sounds absolutely stunning, doesn't it? As you've heard already, if you've watched so far. Anyway, guys, I'm going to probably do some more. I'm going to set up, if I can, I've got a Tascam audio recorder. I'm going to set that up near the boot so you can hear exhaust. And possibly my other GoPro, I'll point backwards. Set more cameras up in car, and we'll probably do a nice, I don't know, a better run than that, because that were only 5 minutes each way, or 10 minutes or whatever it was. It wasn't far. I will go into a cafe down to me Squire's local cafe, motorbikers cafe, to meet some friends, which I always do on a Sunday night and a Tuesday and a Thursday. So if you're in area, Tuesdays, Thursdays or Sundays, we're always down there, and come and see us and say hello if any of you are in Leeds area. Alright guys, thank you for watching. It was successful, and we'll do a post check on the tracking to see if it's still okay. If it ain't, we'll tweak it. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't before, please. It's only a little channel, but we're trying to make it grow a little bit. I'm monetised, so you've got a few little adverts that come up, but I only get like a penny or tuppence or something per advert. It's absolutely nothing. So I don't earn a great deal, and any money I do earn is going to go straight back into my YouTube videos for whatever content we're going to do. That's what it's all about. Any money at all that I earn will go back into, I mean, that camera you're looking, well, that's looking at me now, I just bought that, and then were £248, I think, yeah, £247 or something. I have other cameras too, all cost a fortune, tripods, mounts, all sorts of things just to do the content. It's not a cheap hobby, if you like, because I take it as a hobby to do. So please give us a subscribe and a thumbs up. Thanks guys.